Hello there. So let's assume I want to duplicate the information at the bottom here. I want to duplicate this information in all the copies of this same design. But this one is 128 gigabyte. So I'm going to duplicate it to other copies like the 64 gigabyte. I'm going to just right click and edit content. There you are. And then if you notice, this is 64 gig and we have that information, but I'm trying to introduce a QR code instead. So I'm just going to remove those things there and replace them with the one from the 128 gigabyte. So all I need to do is right click and choose duplicate layers. I'll just select where I want it to be duplicated into, which is the next document, which is the 64 gig. And when I get there, it's there already. So this is one benefit about duplicating layers. You can move particular layers to any part of your document. It can be your document, it can be inside a document. Here, I'm also duplicating to the QR code straight into it too, and it appears exactly where it should be. So that's just it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Watch out for the next one. Thank you. Bye.